I'm Miss Walker, and in this video I'm going over week 5, Wednesday. This has word problems, and as y'all have noticed, whenever I do word problems, I tend to mess up the words. So if I mess up the words, just be okay with it. It'll be okay. It's been a long day. All right, here we go. It's really no excuse because I always mess up word problems, but I end up fixing them. So here we go. It says division problems 3.1. Work out the answers to these division problems involving sharing and grouping. So this one says divide 15 children into teams of 3. How many teams? So that means we're going to count by threes. So until we get to 15. So here's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So here are my groups of 3. If you don't know how to count by threes, you can easily draw 3 dots. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay? And then you count how many groups you have. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 teams. Now, my students in my classroom know that I need to have a label, because if I don't have a label, I'll just think you're talking about puppies. 5 puppies. And we're talking about teams. All right. Number 2. Share out 20 cards between 5 people. How many cards each? So I'm going to draw 5 people. So here's person number 1. My stick people aren't very good. Person number 2. Boom. Person number 3. Person number 4. Ooh, that person has a really large head. Maybe they're really smart. And person number 5. All right. Share 20 cards. So that means I have to have a total of 20. So I'm going to give 1 card to each person. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now their cards are getting circular. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, oh my goodness, 18, 19, 20. So then I count how many cards each person has. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. 4 cards each. Or you could just put 4 cards. Or you could do a complete sentence. Each person has 4 cards. All right. Now, if you did not want to count it like that, you could count by 5s, because you know it's counting by 5s, and just see how many fingers you have up until you get to 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. You have 4 fingers, and you don't have to draw those people and circle cards. All right, here we go. Number 3, divide 18 eggs into boxes of 6 eggs. How many boxes can I fill? So that means that whenever I draw a box, it has to have 6. So I've got 6. Then I've got another box, and that's got 12. I've got another box, and that has 6 more, which is 18. And then I can see how many boxes do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3 boxes. So my answer on this one is 3 boxes. The next one, number 4. Share 24 boxes between 4 children. And look, they've got 4 children right here already drawn. So I'm not about to draw any people this time. So it says I have 24 chocolates. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to give 1 chocolate to each person until I get to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it says, how many chocolates does each person get? Well, let's see. How many does this one have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 chocolates. Moving on to number 5. Divide 20 pencils into packs of 4. That means that every time I have a pack, so this is 1 pack, it's going to have 4 pencils. Okay? So I've got 20 pencils, and I know to fill in 1 box, it's got 4. So here's 4. If you can't count by 4s, you need to just draw dots. Okay, this next one is 8. The next one is 12. The next one is 16. And the last one is 20. So then I can go through and I can count, well, how many boxes did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you want to double check that, I can say, okay, that means if 20 divided by 4 equals 5, that means that 5 times 4 has to be 20. So I can hold up 4 fingers and count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes, I'm right. Moving on to the last one. It says share out 14 bones between 2 dogs. How many bones will each dog get? So I can either think about that as, well, if I'm dividing by 2, that means I have to have 2 numbers that I add together that gives me 14. 2 of the same numbers, because 6 plus 6 is 12. Can't be 6 plus 6. Got to think of the next one. So if you don't know what 2 numbers added together gives you 14, the same 2 numbers, you can also put 1 bone on each dog until you get to 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then you can count how many dots you had on each dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I also know 7 plus 7 is 14. So my answer on here is 7 bones. That is the end. If you have any questions about division, feel free to reach out, email, text me, call me, whatever you need. I hope you enjoyed the video. See ya.